Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to create a list, my favorite feature which I introduced in the last video. Let's create the list and customize it in your way, add the chats you want to, and also edit the list and delete or add the chats you want to, right? So let's do it together. Slide your list to the right and you will see option of plus. Just tap on it or directly go to the settings and tap on list and tap on create list, right? So once you create list, once you tap on it, you will get this option, new list. Enter the name of the list you want it to be like. You can add emojis as well, right? So any list you create, a filter will be on the top of your chat. So now tap on add contact. Now add to list. So the contacts you have on your phone, you can scroll it down and directly just choose whichever you want it to be in your list, or just search it up the names and just directly add. So the ones which I will be selected will have a tick option on their profile pic and it will be shown on top which are added, right? You can delete it right away by tapping on the cross option besides that profile pic, and you just have to tap on the green tick box on lower right corner, right? Once it is done, that list has been created. And see, the last option is of that list. I told you how to rearrange the list. You can bring it to the first option as well. You can reorder list as I've told you. You can see the option from here, or the settings list option, right, which I told you in the last video. To know how to edit the list, see the next video. Ta-da!